Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an electronic travel authorization, or you can say ETA, to travel to Kenya. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this ETA site of Kenya. Here it's very pretty simple. Like if you need any general information, you always click and you can see what it is and who are eligible and who are not and who need it and who doesn't. Okay. When it comes to apply, you can just click on here, apply now. It is giving you the option, who are you? Tourist and visitor. And if you're Kenyan and East African partner state passport holders. So you need to select as per your own case. Okay. And I click on continue. Read all this. This will definitely help you. This is like terms condition. Click on continue. If you're traveling alone, you'll go for individual. If you're group, like family, couple of friends, or like colleagues, then you can go for this. For individual, I select this. Select your country of residence, whatever is applicable in your case. Continue. So it is asking you to uh, first upload a passport photo. Okay. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, so there you first you have to upload the passport, then selfie a photo. Okay, both one by one. If you have a webcam, the system will give you an option to use it and click the photo. Then email and emergency contact. Okay, receive contact information email, then address. Okay, occupation and emergency contact. So I'm just putting some sample, but you do properly as per your case. Patient. Emergency contact, phone number, and I click on, oh, they have validation, it seems. More. Wow, that's good. Okay, somehow manage with that. Reason for travel, I select tourism. Arrival date, I select this. Arriving by air. Wow, wow, Nairobi. They have good, very good system, no doubt. Departure, select airline. Wow, that's really good. Address. Can I bypass this? Not sure. No, I have to go through that. Okay, I'll put some sample. From date. A sample, guys. Of course, I'm not gonna stay there. To date. Is your trip financed by third party? No. What is your country of birth? What is your nationality at birth? Of course, I will not be submitting this application. Have you ever been convicted of any offense, any other system law in past 5 years? I select no. Have you denied entry? No. Marital status single. Have you previously traveled to Kenya? I select no. Continue. Are you bringing into currency metric greater than 10,000 of foreign equivalent? This for US, I select no. Continue. Documents, airline booking, accommodation, hotel booking, passport. Okay, fine. And next gonna be confirm proceed. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.